Okay, this is going to be a bit weird. I recorded sound, but it didn't work with the new camera. So I'm going to do a talk over me talking. Basically, I bought a new little camera because my GoPro is not doing too well. As you can see here, it's missing a cover, and yeah, poor thing, it's not working too well. So a lot of this video was filmed with the new camera, which for some reason the audio is not working too well, as you'll find out, and I do apologise for that. But anyway, we'll persevere and see if we can work it out. So in this video we are pulling the last brake apart. So as you can see, it came apart pretty easily. The interesting thing here is there's no slave cylinder in this brake, so that someone else had been in there, had a little bit of a fiddle around. And the brakes have been fiddled around with because yesterday I took the master cylinder out and discovered it was one for a Morris Minor. But fortunately I've got a few master cylinder bodies, so hopefully with enough bits and pieces I can rebuild a master cylinder that's the correct type for the Goggomobil. Anyway, that's a later project and we'll see how that goes. So here I am using the die grinder to cut the bolts off the end of the bolts that hold the swing arms on, and these are just notoriously difficult to get out. I had a very hard time when I did Miss Molly, and I'm having a battle this time too. They just rust in, they're hard to get to, and just a pain. So I thought I'd get vicious with this and cut it and then drill it, and it's still resisting. So it's just a matter of perseverance, I'm afraid. I'm not going to bore you with a whole pile of videos of me struggling to do this, because I think you just will go to sleep if you don't already. So yeah, this is a bit of the idea of the trials and tribulations of getting this thing apart. So once I've got these out, I can pull the front swing arms off, and apart from taking the brake lines out, I think that's pretty well finished stripping everything off the Goggomobil body. I've also taken the front springs out, which won't be very hard at all, hopefully. So we're getting there. We're getting down to the bare bones of this project. So then we can paint this chassis and rebuild it all. I think it'd be far more interesting putting things back than all this pulling apart. So I hope this hasn't been too boring for you to watch. It's just one of those things that has to be done. And as I said, these are such a pain to do. Anyway, if you like the video and want to persevere with me, please subscribe. Hopefully the next video will be a bit more interesting. Finally, we might be able to get the suspension off. Anyway, we'll see how the struggle continues. Thanks for watching. Cheers.